From outdated to fresh spaces, the property has undergone a top-to-bottom transformation. The duplex faced serious challenges, including damaged electrical systems, worn-out flooring, plumbing issues, to inefficient layouts that made the space feel cramped. But with a full overhaul, we addressed every issue, bringing this property up to modern standards and turning it into a comfortable, functional home. Keep watching for the complete renovation by Matrix Construction, turning visions into reality.